What do you think about the products behind it? How optimistic are you about this truck and the Roadster?
Well, the truck's a big deal, and we can kind of back into what this potentially could add, setting aside any production issues that they're going to have with it, but kind of assuming they can produce it. This should add somewhere between 15 and 20% to the street numbers, probably in year 2023. And that's what investors do with a story like this. They look that far out. So this is a real market for them, and I think that just given the orders we've already seen from like Walmart this morning, I think that this truck is going to do very well. The Roadster, as your package had indicated, was that this is more about making a statement. I just would hate to be the Porsche engineers. The day before, the Wall Street Journal ran a story that they had come out with the fastest 911 production car, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. That is well behind the 1.9 seconds for this Tesla Roadster. And so I just marvel at the specs on this car, but it's not going to move the needle financially for the company.
Do you think that investors and customers are going to start, stop buying into these far-off sales pitches?
Not at all. I mean, to Max's point is that what he's doing here is, this is probably the more important part of the story last night, was speaking to investors that they do have untapped opportunities, and that this isn't about just electric vehicles, but it's about autonomy and renewable energy. I mean, these huge macro themes. If he can keep investors buying into this theme, which that's what last night was all about, if he can keep them doing that, he can keep tapping the equity and debt markets for more cash. Obviously, that is a pain point for the company, the ability to not run out of cash. And so this is really keeping those investors in the camp, in the group, in the club, to continue to support his goal of really accelerating the globe's adoption of renewable energy.